IT is at the heart of a lot of the progress the world expects to make in the 21st century. In the last 3 decades alone, new technology building blocks have appeared at an astonishing rate, each one a bigger milestone than the last. Every time we overcome big obstacles, the game changes, and we are ready to take the next stride into a new era of IT. With the rapid emergence of the Internet of Things, we have a new challenge to overcome. We have raw data in spades, but we need an economical way to glean actual insights that will help us build a better world. It's expected that 26 billion connected devices will make up the Internet of Things within the next 5 years. All those endpoints will provide raw data with incredible potential to inform and enlighten, if only we can make sense of it. Without a technology to help us wrangle it, that data will remain useless. The answer? Hyperconvergence by IT infrastructure innovators like Pivot3. In a legacy model without hyperconvergence, data has to be sent to large data centers through expensive high-bandwidth networks before it can be processed into insights that will drive many optimizations and improvements. With the overwhelming amount of data we'll be collecting from the Internet of Things, this traditional, decidedly 20th century model just isn't financially viable. That's where highly efficient, hyper-converged infrastructure comes into play. Pivot3's global hyper-converged infrastructure packs compute, storage, and networking into one homogeneous IT solution, which means that massive amounts of data can be effectively processed at the source and turned into insights that help us work smarter and be more cost-effective. At Pivot3, we call this software-defined places. With its unified approach to IT infrastructure, global hyperconvergence erases traditional IT silos and allows organizations to become more flexible and more responsive to markets. In this virtualized storage and compute environment, Pivot3 software delivers more performance, more efficiency, and more resiliency than the underlying hardware ever could. It's the answer to achieving acceptable costs for local analysis of data on a massive scale. It lets businesses and many other organizations extract valuable insights and build new value. Global hyperconvergence is a whole new approach to IT infrastructure. It's flexible, powerful, resilient, and economical. And it's changing the IT game forever.